house of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Done when now I get a pair of la 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 la. Draw the Asians you'll take care of, la 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 la. Oh, oh,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little different. As you can tell, we are not in my home. We are actually in my classroom, and I wanted to go ahead and do this video for you guys. I thought it would be kind of fun, but I'm going to put up the Christmas tree and kind of put some Christmas decorations up. So when the kids come back on Monday, the classroom will be decorated for Christmas time, and our elf on the shelf will come visit us. Not this coming up week, but the next week they'll come. And so I'm just so excited. I love Christmas time, and I love like creating this magical time for the kids. And so I figure I'll just go ahead and just bring you guys along with me. So I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm.
So as you can tell up here, we have our desk fairy. She comes once a week, and she'll fly around in our classroom and see whose desk is the neatest, and every person that has their area kind of just cleaned up and no paper around their table or on their floor, she'll leave them a little treat and this note. It says, "Your desk is so nice and neat, please enjoy this special treat." And that is the note. Look, that's what it looks like, and the kids love it. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because my idea was to do something where the desk fairy, not desk fairy, the elf comes through this door. So I gotta think of something to put like either here or place on top of there for the elf to come. So if you have any ideas of what like cute little sayings I can put up there, let me know in the comments, because I really appreciate it. And hopefully the elf will come, I guess the first like full week of December, and he'll come that week. So make sure you leave those in the comments so I can like get that ready for the kids.
It's cold outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all time.
So I just want to take a few minutes to say hello to anyone who may be new watching. My name is Courtney. I do all types of cleaning videos, decorate with me, homemaking, any type of makeovers, and that's my jam. So if you like those types of things, make sure you push that subscribe button. No pressure whatsoever. I just appreciate that you are watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And also I want to say hello to anyone who's returning back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I just appreciate you guys so much.
Walking through a midnight wonderland.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring.
this is very different to the things that I used to bring on my channel. I don't think I've ever cleaned inside of my classroom before on my channel. So let me know in the comments, do you like this kind of content? Because I can do more videos like this. I usually go up to the school just about every Sunday to prepare for Monday. And this video, I was up on that Saturday, and then I went back on Sunday to finish up preparing for the week or for Monday. And so, but if you like these types of videos, I don't mind doing more like this. But also, I just want to put this out there. I made sure that I did not show my student's name. So you will not see back behind my desk, because I have all their information of how they get home, and definitely don't want to put that out there on the internet. So you won't see behind my desk, and I make sure that I cover up their names if it's like on their crayon box or something like that. So I didn't realize that this tree was super tall, because it was just in my house, and I figured, oh, it wasn't that big, because my house wasn't that big, and the ceilings, I mean, they were somewhat tall, but I didn't think they were that tall. But this tree looks like a giant in my classroom, but the students love it, so that's all that matters.
Where rocks and ice are feeding, good Christian fare for sinners here. The silent word is pleading. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him loud, the babe.
So as you can tell, the Christmas tree will be looking a little bare, but that's because the kids will be making ornaments all this like month of December, and so whatever they make, they'll get to put it on our Christmas tree, because we talk about how we are a family and a community, and you know, all that. And so that was just something that I thought would be kind of fun, because they get to add on to our class Christmas tree. And so they were just super excited about it, like over the moon excited about all the things that happened, with the new pillow, to the new Christmas tree in our classroom, with the reindeer hanging on our bulletin board, and even the new fish tank, which you'll see later on. They were just so excited about all the new changes that happened in our classroom.
Hail the word made flesh, the babe, the Son of Mary. Raise the song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day, to save us all from Satan when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. In Bethlehem in Israel, this blessed babe was born, and laid within the manger for this blessed morn, to which
So I want to do a $50 Venmo giveaway in this video. I'm always talking to my students about how we can be a good person and a good friend by showing kindness to each other. So there are only 3 rules to be entered into this giveaway. The first one is you have to be subscribed to my channel since this is a subscriber giveaway. The second rule is I want you to do some type of act of kindness, like hold the door open for someone, pay for someone's meal that's behind you in a drive-thru, or even send a friend a nice text. That's the second thing you have to do. And the third thing you have to do is I want you to comment down below what act of kindness you did, and make sure you use the hashtag acts of kindness. So you can comment as many times that you do an act of kindness. Please make sure you use the hashtag for each comment. That is your ticket to be entered in. And this giveaway will last until December the 10th, and I will comment on your comment that you won. So good luck, and let's be nice humans.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew, this Christmas.
So this was something I was supposed to do on Sunday, and then I kind of went through a rabbit hole and just started doing all this stuff, and then I got back focused again. This happens to me all the time. I'll start off thinking, okay, I'm gonna do this, and then I'll move something, and then it makes me think of doing something else, and it's just a whole thing, and then I go back to the original plan that I was supposed to be doing. So now I'm trying to clean off my desk because I need to do what I'm supposed to be doing, which was make a reindeer, because I'm going to put that on my bulletin board, and I'm going to show you a picture here. This is what it's going to look like, and that's my plan.
May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. With a seat by the fire and watch your favorite.
Okay, so this is how it turned out. And I think it's really cute. That's the best I can do, honestly. And I think it's cute. I think the kids are going to love it as well. I kind of wish I had the reindeer antlers kind of going out a little bit more that way. But it is what it is. And I think it's going to be adorable. And if I need to add more, I may just add some more and like add it at the top there to make it go out more that way on each side. So I may do that. But I'll just see, because I'm pretty sure all my students' ornaments will hang down pretty good. So anyways, that's what it looks like, and love it.
Yes, I'm coming home to you.
Now I need to get this classroom cleaned up, and so I'm gonna do a little YouTube magic to get it all cleaned.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring.
So I wanted to wipe everything down just because I had those totes on the table and just different things out. So I wanted to give it a good wiping and then use my vacuum to vacuum the floor. And honestly, I wish I was one of those YouTubers that had more than one cordless vacuums, because I love using my cordless vacuum in my classroom, but I don't get to use it like every single day just because I keep it at my house. But that is something that I would truly wish I could have 2 vacuums for. It's one for my classroom. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm also going to show you, I did put a tree skirt up under the tree. I just forgot to bring it, and I didn't want to have to run home and get it just for, like, you know, putting it in the video. So I'm just going to show you a picture of the tree skirt that I used, and it's just the one that I had at my old house. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Christmas.